Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for November 16, 2020. If you look at the chart here, that's a SBY, which is spider for SB 500 ETF. And you can see here, this is very interesting day. So last week on Monday, the Pfizer come out with a vaccine with 90% effective, and the market shoot it up and then just slam it down. Today, Monday, Marina they come up with another vaccine with a 95% accuracy and effective, and the market they shoot it back up, and then they gap above the previous high here, and then they stay above it. So this is a bullish formation. So right now, look like the market is trying to go up and test the pivot high here, so that we can see when they hit to this level what they are going to do next. So in the short term, you see that yesterday the market pulled back down. In the morning they slide back up, but the momentum is still very strong on the upside, and then they still continue to push it back up. So right now the trend is still up. We will stick with the uptrend. Okay, so if you are look at the E-mini SB 500 after hour, the market in the morning market be able to break out or the previous high here, they push it back up. So now they come back a little bit to retest, and then they will continue to resume the uptrend. And if you are a day trader in our live trading room, our expert live trading room, every morning we analyze the market so that people can see where the market heading to, so they can take a quick trade. So today when the market opened, okay, the trend is already down, so the people took the short here, okay, and then they took another long here, another short here, so it's 20 point down and a 16 point up on this side here. So within the first 1 hour, we can gain a total 36 point for the first hour, and for the ES E-mini future, that's a $50 per contract, so that's a $1,800, and we're done for the day. And then if you stay there after we close the trading room, the market is still heading to the upside, so they can continue to make money after that if they continue to trade. So this is what we're doing every day in our live trading room, so we can help members so that they know what direction market heading to, so that they can trade accordingly to make some quick daily income to support their family every day. Okay, and besides the day trading, we also do a lot of swing trading, which is the stock that member bring it in, so we can analyze together to see which one we should go up, which one should go down, which one should we take profit, so that they can stay in the trade longer. For those of you who are busy working, that they love to do the swing trade. So today I close a couple swing trade for myself. Okay, before I get to that, let me see that on the weekly market forecast, couple of stocks that we're looking like airline, aerospace sector, anything that's supply related to the aero system. Okay, first of all, SPR, they gap up today, and SPCE, the Virgin Atlantic, yesterday they have a successful launching, but they put it back down, but they stabilize there, and then they find a way to put it back up again. The energy sector is really doing well today. You can see that a lot of oil stock try to push it back up, right? And you can see all the stock we talked about the weekend, and they are doing very well. Okay, BKR, that's another one, but all shoot up to the upside. PSX, another Philips 66, they are going uptrend also. And a lot of stock like laser and EXPE. This one here is shoot it up, and then people take some profit there. BKNG, this one that they go up 56, 57 point today. Okay, and the hotel still try to shoot it back up there, and MGM. Okay, let's see. Okay, MGM. Okay, this one another one that try to push it back up, and Las Vegas Sands Casino Talk. Okay, they go up, but they hit some resistance there, so you have to be careful. And the bio sector at mRNA, after they announced a new vaccine with 95% effective, this stock it run up, since the whole week, and then it continue to put it up to the upside. The other hand, at Pfizer, they still have a struggle to shoot it back up after the CEO. They saw a lot of share here, so the people hate it. They dump it, but they found a support here. So let's see if they're able to turn around. Okay, so today I close some of beside that we do a day trade. I close some of the swing trade today. So the first one I will see MCSA. So this one hit the home run, so I take the profit. Okay, J&J, Johnson, they hit to resistance, so I take the profit. Okay, JPM, okay, that's another one. They hit to the resistance level, so you want to see that they be able to break out. Okay, and then another quick trade today on the swing trade. So the total, I closed some of the swing trade, some of the for the Comcast, Johnson, JP Morgan, and Jump. So total net profit for today is $15,472. So it's a good start of the week. All right, so we will do it again tomorrow. And if you look at the overall market, it's still bullish. So we will stay with the uptrend until the market tells us they are revert to the other side. Okay, so at this moment the market is still heading north, so we will stick with the uptrend. Okay, all right, so that's what we have for you today. So if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to make some extra daily income, and how to read the chart by using a modern technical analysis combined with a crowd psychology and the price action, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com. We have a video for you there so that you can take a look. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. We will see you on the next video.